Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello friend, as shown in the figure, there is a homogeneous disk of radius 3 inch and weight 6 pound, spinning at 60 radian per second. The disk supported by the fork-ended rod AB, which is welded to the vertical shaft CVD. The system is at rest when the couple of 0.25 foot-pound is applied to the shaft for 2 seconds. Then it is removed. You have to calculate reactions at C and D after couple has been removed. Let us see here. Angular velocity of shaft CVD and arm AV. Omega is equal to omega 2 j cap. Angular velocity of disk omega is equal to omega 2 j cap. So angular momentum of the disk about A. H A will be I x omega x I cap I y omega y j cap I z omega z k cap. It can be written as I by omega 2 j cap plus I z omega 1 k cap. Say equation 1. Angular velocity of reference frame V x by z is omega. So it can be rate of change of angular momentum about A you can find omega cross product with H. It will be I by alpha 2 j cap I z alpha 1 k cap omega 2 j cap cross I by omega 2 j cap plus I z omega 1 k cap. So you will solve it, you will get, after solving it, I by omega 1 omega 2 I cap I by alpha 2 is equal to omega 2 j cap plus I z omega dot k cap. Here I can write alpha 2 is and alpha 1 is omega 1. Now substitute the value of moment of inertia. I This is Iz is mr square by 2 omega 1 omega 2 I cap mr square by 4 along y-axis omega 2 j cap along z-axis mr square by 2 k cap. Say equation number 2. Now drawing the free body diagram to calculate velocity and acceleration of center of mass A. We have to draw the geometrical figure here. This is the shaft DVC. C point, D point, sorry, D is here. This is B point. Here dynamic reaction. You can draw CZ, CX, DZ, DX, MO. This distance is B. This is B. This is B point. This is your x-axis. Here between MAX. Now velocity you can find omega 2 j cap cross CI, so C omega 2 k cap. Acceleration omega 2 j cap cross Ci plus omega 2 j cap cross V. So it can be written as C omega 2 k cap C omega 2 square I cap. Now summation of force is equal to mass into acceleration. So it can be written as Cx I cap C by k cap dx I cap plus dz k cap is equal to mass into acceleration resolving into its component. So you can write Cx plus dx to be mc omega 2 square. Here you are resolving into component. Cz plus d is equal to minus mc omega 2. Moment about the D point. Rate of change of angular momentum about D is equal to HA plus position vector AD cross MA position vector AD is CI cap plus BJ cap cross C B2 cap minus C B2 square I. Now simplify it. So moment of couple about the D point you may write MOJ cap rate of change of angular momentum MBC I cap plus MC square J cap plus MBC omega 2 square K cap. Equating the components. Now substitute this value already we have calculated. So you can write MO J cap plus 2BC Z J cap 2BC Z sorry I cap minus 2BCXK M half. Now substituting this value from equation 3 half R square omega 1 omega 2 minus BC omega naught 2 I cap plus M 1 by 4 R square plus C square J cap plus M half R square omega 1 plus BC. After the equating the components of I, J and K, it can be written as you may write M naught to be M 1 by 4 R square plus C square omega dot 2. Say this is equation 5. Equating the coefficient of k cap, Cx will be minus m upon 2b 1 upon 2 r square, rate of change of angular velocity omega 1 plus vc omega 2 square, and dx you will get minus m upon 2b minus 1 by 2 r square, rate of change of omega 1 with time, plus bc omega square z, say equation number 6. Then equating the coefficient of I cap Cz is equal to m upon 2b half r square omega 1 omega 2 minus bc and dz minus m upon 2b bc over 2. Given weight is 60 pound, r is equal to 3 inch, that is 0.25 feet, v is equal to 4 inch, that is 0.333 feet, c 5 inch, 0.4166 feet, omega 1 60 radian per second, rate of change of omega 1 is 0. Since MO is given 0.25 feet, so from equation 5, omega naught 2 you will get 7.08999 radian per second square. After substituting all these parameters, so omega 2 can be written as omega naught 2 plus t, and this is 0 plus 7.0899 into 2, so it becomes 14.18 radian per second at t is greater than 0. From equation 2 and 3, we can find Cx, dx, Cz, Tz, or Mo becomes 0. This is at t is equal to 2 seconds. For t is greater than 2 seconds, omega 2 is 14.18 radian per second, omega 2 is 0, and Mo is 0. So, substituting in above equation 5, 6, 7, Cx, dx, Cz, dz can be calculated. I am writing directly here using equations 5, 6 and 7, and substituting all the parameter given above. You will get Cx is 7.8054 pound, Tx minus 7.8054 pound, CZ 7.43112 pound, and DZ minus 7.4312 pound. So we can write dynamic reaction at C is minus 7.81 I cap, 7.43 K cap pound, and D is 7.81 pound I cap, 7.43 K cap pound. So this is the answer for this problem. Thanks for watching it.